Select the same is an interesting feature that it really helps you to selecting object. For example, we have an object with a different shape, stroke, fill, rotation. Here in a select the same. For example, I want to select the same object with the same fill color, with the same stroke, with a fill or same stroke or stroke weight. For example, I select this object first and then go into the select, and I want to select the object with the same fill color. And as you can see, it automatically select the object that has the same fill color. Or I want to select this object and then I want to select the object that has the same stroke color. Automatically select the stroke color. Or you can select also the same object that has the less stroke than this object, less or equal stroke widths here. Interesting. Or you want to select object with the same transparency number or blending mode or the same shape. For example, let's test this object. This object is the same, and select the same shape. Oh, the same shape means the same rectangle. These are same rectangle, same radius, not actual real shape. Or you can select the same width, the same height. For example, select this object and I want to select the object that has the equal width. Select this with that object. Another same select is same rotation. For example, let's select this object and select the object that has the same rotation. These three objects has exactly the same rotation number here. Another selection same is same height, less or greater than, or the same name, same tag, and also select the hidden object that they are. So this select the same are very useful to you.